welcome back to my channel. So Taylor was like, and today I was like, let's do a haul for my lazy girls out there in college like me. Okay, I'm gonna give you three outfits that I put together myself for the Lolo, okay? And some of my stuff I already had before, so yeah. We have a college sweater and some jeans. Real basic, real cute for the fall, you know what I'm saying. It's about to get a little chilly out here. Unless you're in Texas, then you can still wear your shorts or whatever. It's about to get really chilly, so I got this Harvard sweater. I don't go to Harvard, I'm in Dallas. Wait, this is Harvard, right? Yeah. Got this Harvard sweater in a size small. I don't know where this came from. My sister left it in my car. It's mine now. I'm pretty sure she got it from a thrift store though. And also, I got these jeans that were, these were on sale. These were like buy one get one half off, I think. Because I got these jeans from Forever 21. They're really cute. I love these. These felt amazing. Like, these are cute, okay? And then I had another outfit with the other jeans that I bought, but I don't like how the outfit was looking, so I'm not putting that in. So yeah, really cute, really basic, you know, slip on, slip off. Go to sleep in it, you know, take your jeans off and go to sleep. Simple. Alright, for the next outfit that I got is what I call the basic white girl, the SMU girl. I go to Princeton. Actually, I don't even know people go to Princeton wear outfits like this, but I know a lot of white girls that go to SMU dressed exactly like this, okay? They got on a large t-shirt or a sweater or whatever, and they look naked. And it's like 30 degrees outside, and I'm like, where's your clothes? Anyways, that's what they be wearing though, but I see a lot of white girls wearing this, so I decided to do a version of it. So I got some shorts that I saw at Papaya. These were $6. Really booty shorts. Some real booty shorts. Like these are to wear around the house. And also I got, as you can see, this Adidas sweatshirt, y'all. You know, like I said, it was oversized. White girls be wearing oversized stuff, so I got an oversized hoodie. I got this in a large. It was already built like to be baggy and bigger than your body anyway, so I got a large, and I think it's really cute. And also along with that, that Adidas sweatshirt, I also bought me some Adidas, okay? Y'all, I never buy shoes. I'm so happy about these, but over the top about these shoes, because I never buy shoes ever. So I got these. Aren't they cute? These are cute. You're gonna tell me they're not cute. My sister was like, they look like those feelers that make you like 6 feet tall, like 4 foot. And I'm like, no, these are cute. They're not that tall. And I like them, and I bought them without second guessing myself. I don't remember what outfit I put this shirt in, but it'll be there. I put this shirt that I got from Boohoo. It's from Boohoo. It's like my favorite shirt, and it's not even winter, and I've been wearing it in the summer. Who gonna stop me? Nobody, but it was real cute. Felt good. I don't remember how much it was, but I love it. Where did I put this? Oh, those black leggings. Black leggings that I also got at Boohoo. They're like $5. I don't know. But it was real cheap. It'll show your booty cheeks though, just so y'all know. But it has like a little waistband. You know, like the waistband. So it like tucks it in just a little bit. That's what I like. And to show you everything else that I got when I went shopping. I bought this little shirt. This little tie knot in the front of it. This was one of the outfits that I didn't like looking on me. It's okay, I'm working on my body. I've been vegetarian for the past 2 weeks. Well, kinda. Some days I slipped up because I just couldn't figure out what to eat. So I was just like, Chick-fil-A. You know, that's what I've been eating. So, yeah. Been vegetarian for the past 2 weeks. It's going okay. It's a lot of cheese. I like cheese anyway, so don't. But I got a lot of cheese products, and yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna start, I think it's tomorrow, that I'm starting to actually work out and be a vegetarian so I can see results. Because by the time December comes, I will be wearing this in California, okay? But yeah, I got this papaya, and this was only $11. And also some jeans that I got with those other jeans that I showed y'all that are not from Fashion Nova. For these really cute, really light washed jeans. Like, what kind of jeans are these? It's called low rise skinny ankle. That's why I don't like it, is low rise. I'm too fat for low rise. Because when I put it on, you know, most of my jeans, they go above my waist. And I put these above my waist, and I had a camel toe, and I was like, my battery's dying. Okay. But yeah, I got these two. This one right here is a bonus outfit that I thought I recorded, but I didn't. So here you go, basic little dress that you slip on literally when you're running late. Or, you know, just want to be cute and it's feeling a little good outside. Yeah. For like different outfits. So I went to Lady Foot Locker when I got the Adidas stuff. So I got me some Ivy Park leggings. So let me turn to the front. These are the front. It has like this little pattern on it, you know, stretchy. It says Ivy Park on the band. And I'm about to look really cute with my Ivy Park hat on and these on, in a tank top, working out or whatever. But yeah, these are cute, and they got like this little pink stripe going down, and I'm like, who is she? It's me. Okay. Something else that I got for the cheap for my broke friends out there that are lazy is another tank top, and this was from Papaya, and this was only $3. This one feels better than that little black one that I found. I should have got two of these. Yeah, real simple. You know, you just got out the shower, you put it with those little booty shorts, and you know, rock it like a white girl, put an oversized t-shirt on and walk around the campus, girl. Who said that we can't do it too? So that's it for my lazy college girl haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe and share this video for others so they can watch it as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.